Okay. Let's see. Let's see how things are working. Okay. Now, can everyone see me? Okay, looks like the serve bot is back up. I have no idea what was happening with OBS there, but it looks like it wanted to continuously disconnect on me, and it went straight down. Oh. Well, okay, hold on. Something seems to be up with OBS right now. Like, it dips down to the 1000s in kilobytes per second. It's like things are getting so inconsistent right now with it. So let's see. Before I go any further, let's see if it becomes stable again at around the 6000 kilobytes. I can't really say for certain in this regard. Okay. Let's see here. Are we doing okay? Are we doing swell? I think we're doing all right. We'll just have to backtrack here a little bit. Everything seems to be all right. At least for the moment. But it looks like I have to restart up the YouTube things again. So let me do that. Also, if you happen to see me, feel free to leave something in the chat. So that way we can get things back rolling once again. So I do need to make some alterations. Okay, so stream 4. I'm just gonna say this is... won't even allow me to... Odd thing about this, but... Here we go. Little bit of alterations here. And let's see. Guess we're just gonna have to use... I suppose this thumbnail will have to do for right now. OBS, are you drunk? Are you drunk with laziness at this moment? Alright, let's just make sure we get the tags all worked out here. Oh, wait. Got the wrong thing here. Okay. Let me see if I can save this, and then we can get back to things. Okay. I think it should be updating here soon for the YouTube side. But yeah, I don't know why it decided all of a sudden to just not have anything for the kilobytes. Okay, changes have been saved. So those that are watching me on YouTube, hopefully you can see me now. Feel free to leave me a comment in the chat to see if you can see this, that you can hear me before we go any further with the stream itself. Same goes with Twitch too, because OBS is being a little bit of a donkey right now, an ass. We'll just have to go with that in the meantime. All right. Okay, let me refresh on the Twitch side of things to make sure everything's working out properly before we commence any further. Let's see. Oh, we're gonna have to do the surveys again. If I remember correctly. I will have to... Oh, Twitch is loading up so slowly. Okay, here we go. All right. I'll bring up the survey part back for anyone who wants to take my survey. Especially during... Oh, okay, we got someone remarking back. Hello. Lovely. Lovely to see you. Lovely! Okay. So let me go ahead and copy this. We'll put it back in the YouTube chat. There we go. Let's see. That should hopefully come up here. Okay. I think we got it. There we go. All right. Exceptional. Good work. Now I think we can go back to this madness. All right. OBS always wanted to do... I wish there was a better alternative to OBS, honestly. But who knows at this point. Okay, sidestep. Okay. And then we can do... There we go. Lovely. Got them taken care of. And then... there we go. Then... there we go. And let's see. Okay. Then... Yep. There we go. We're definitely not gonna make it. There. Yeah. Looks like we're just gonna have to... wait, hold on. I think what we'll do here is this. Then we're gonna just move you up here so you're not in the way because you're weak against the gangsters. So, there's that then. Oh, we're supposed to do a target of 4. I was like, okay. Okay. Ow. Hey, stop hurting her. All right. Oh, everyone's going down there now, huh? Okay. Okay. Got him. There we go. And then... okay. Let's see. No. Go back. And... there. No more moves. Yeah, that's quite all right. We did what we could here. Ow. Ow. No, Destin! How dare you kill Destin off like that? Oh, you're going. Hell, there's a special place for you now. There we go. Wait. No. I got an idea. Put you over here. Oh. Dang it. Okay. Guess that didn't quite work out as I planned it would. Nope. Okay. There we go. And now, you can go right in there. Might as well take care of the rest of you. And then... all right, now we'll do it. Yep, see, sounds about right. Wasn't my finest hour. At least we got the stream back up. Thanks, I guess. I had that under control, though. What's your connection with these guys? Who do they want you to talk to? Help me out here. There's a split going on between gang factions. I think you know something about it. I don't know a thing. What will give you that impression? Because we walked in on them asking you for help? Because you keep trying to avoid the subject? We're talking world-ending importance, okay? These guys are so spooked they're talking about going off to become farmers. Fine. If you must know, when you get kicked out of the organization, you get sent to the farm. Is that enough? Can I go now? That gives me something to work with anyway. Thanks. Just be careful out there. It just seems like she knew more. Is it okay to just leave it there? We'll chip away at her over time. And now we know why that guy talked about becoming a farmer. Do we even have a farm on this island? Whoops, hello! Somebody mentioned farms, and that means it's the agricultural major's time to... fine! We absolutely do have a farm, but it's run down and dilapidated. I've been hanging with studies on how to rehabilitate it. Come on, I'll show you. Yay! Oh. People can study again. But only 2 of them, huh? Don't let the boss find me. No promises. Well, I'll get the punching bag, I guess. There we go. Punching bag has been taken care of. Alright. So now we got a farm section. Is there anything else we can do? Nope. To the farm. You reckon I could get that tractor going? Maybe. Well, would you look at that? There is a farm after all. The other thing the farm needs is here. We'll just have to fix it up, rehabilitate the soil, get some animals. This could be useful since we're cut off from the mainland. I don't see any witches though. Hey, do you work here? Looking to fix the place up? No, I just kinda like to come around. Feels like where I'm supposed to be. Interesting. Have you noticed any gangsters showing up? You mean like little Tony? Hey, I go by Anthony now. Oh, hey, I know you guys. You're the ones that caused all that trouble a couple weeks back. Oh, yeah. Oh, wait, that's the rub. Hey, I know you guys. Seems like they put you out to pasture. Yeah, well, I didn't like how things were going. But you gotta find the patriarch. That still is the patriarch. What do you mean by that? Some other folks were saying something similar? I guess I'm out of the family, so it doesn't matter what I say anymore. The patriarch just isn't himself. Looks like him, he sounds like him, but sure doesn't act like him. How do you mean? Patriarch will never do the things he's done. Kidnapping kids. I've lived here my whole life, see? And I remember how things used to be. We used to help people sometimes. This farm, my grandma told me it used to make enough food for the whole island, along with the fishing, of course. But now the patriarch, he's having us to do all kinds of stuff that doesn't sit right. I spoke up a bit, now here I am. Sounds rough. In our case, we're trying to get past the store in the bunker. It's got an electronic lock and the rooms are shipping ahead, round. We were hoping to find someone willing to tell us how to navigate it. You need a special map. If you don't go through the doors in a certain way, they'll shift on you. Any chance you help us get through? I may be excommunicated, but I'm still honor bound to the patriarch. Can't just give you the keys to the kingdom. Now, if you find me some hard evidence that he wasn't really himself, and that the family was being led astray, maybe I could do something for you. Right. We'll do it. Give us a hint. Once you make a deal with me, you can't back out. Don't worry, we won't. We want to get to the bottom of this as much as you do. Well, all right then. You can see part of the map on my back. Oh. Look at that. They tattoo pieces of it on all of our backs so we don't get the complete picture. Plus we're with another member, and none of us has the whole thing. Hey! I just thought it would be easier. Under the circumstances, I guess it's okay. If we were with a family, you'd get your hand crushed for that. But I guess we're beyond that now. Up. Hey, little Tony! You here running your mouth? Up yours, Giovanni! We couldn't get anything out of him. He shut up like a clam. But he'll put you in the ground just in case. Up. Of course the gangsters are gonna come to the farm. Ha! We are the ones that come to the farm. We are the ones that come to the farm. I can see these little... What are they called? Let's see. Let me see who they are. They are called excavators. Oh, these excavators will definitely be a part of the earth. That's for sure. They can be dancing quite a bit. Okay. Is anyone earthbound? Oh, him, but he's a healer, so I think that won't be too much problem. Okay. All right, so let's see. Okay, we got you stunned. I guess this, we can get at you. There we go. And we can go heal you up. And then... there we go. Okay. Okay. Hopefully this will do the trick. Okay. There we go. Hello, DW. Greetings and salutations. Hope you're doing well. Welcome to the stream. Oh. Oh! I forgot they do that. Oh! Stop! Well, at least I'm resistant to that. That's reassuring, I guess. Alright, let's see. Alright, here we go. I'll probably do like right there. And then... no, let's see. Probably do... what would be a good spot? There we go. Got you out of the way. And then... okay. And then... there's that. And then let's see. Oh, we can't fight. That's right. Alright. There we go. Got a combo in there. And now we just need to... there we go. Hopefully this will do the trick. I'm not sure. Well, that's no good. All right. No! Oh, come on. Well, there goes her. God, these enemies are tricky. Okay, this has gotten a little bit harder now. But let's see. Got those. Probably move yourself over here for the moment. Then... there we go. And then... gonna go ahead and heal you up. For now, at least. And then backstep. There we go. And then... there. And now we don't have enough. Okay. So we didn't really make the target, sadly. So we're probably gonna get another C. No! Stop it! Alright. Okay. Get that. Okay. And then we can just go right in here. Oh, we don't have any more. Wait, go back. There. Might as well do it this way. Didn't do exactly the greatest, but at least we made it through it. Ow, that coffin basically hit her. No wonder we had trouble with you. You're strong and getting stronger. You know it. Now let's test out this map and find some dirt on Antoni's Patriarch. All right, we got 3 more days. Seem to be doing good progress. Let me see what the station is like. Let me see what the station... Honestly, this looks like the best of both worlds. And look at the dog! That's the feeling I get. Okay, so let's see. The King of Cats. Let's see, are you around here, King of Cats? King of Cats, do-do-do-do-do-do. King of Cats, do-do-do-do. I don't see any cat around here. Let's see. I'll give a coin. Greetings, Tributary. What's up, Mystery God? You speak to me so casually. Do you believe in me? Yeah, of course, you're talking to me. How could I not? Excellent. Whoa, 3 times! You leveled up! Yay, 3 times a lady. Now, where's that cat? Where is that cat? 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 Yet? Yet? Apparently, there's a cat around here, but I don't know where you could be. Apparently you're around here. Where are you hiding? Let me make sure. Gotta double check to make sure that I can look around for you. Ah! There you are. Hey, isn't that your King of Cats? Nicely spotted. Cats sure like high places, huh? All the better to survey one's domain. Huh, looks like he knocked something down. Ooh, he had lamps? He had lamps with him this entire time. Well, okay. Little bit odd and peculiar, but I'll take it. Nope, we don't have enough for the wall slam yet. Let's scavenge. Someone left a whole work desk in here. Perfectly good. This place is a gold mine. Nice. And we don't have to do any karaoke. Let's see. What else could we do? Oh, that's about it. To the bunker. We get through this bunker by following the pattern here. Kind of weird looking at a map on the guy's back. So, this way? What the? Sorry to break off the party, boys. Oh, look. Blood. And we got a couple of these, too. Lovely. You know how this is gonna be. All right. Oh, yeah, let's see if we can do some research now. Okay, let's see. Crab walk. Forward movement reduced by 1 tile, but sidestep increased by 1. Okay. Character has 2+ HP, but can't be healed. Let's see. Resist dark. Ooh, that will come in handy. All right, let's get Canuck and Mercy on the team. Destin mistook this for a math test and claimed religious exemption. When asked what his religion was, he stated he was religiously exempt from considering that. You know, that seems like it's too real. Honestly, the stream basically, well, OBS decided, nope. It was gonna disconnect, reconnect, disconnect, reconnect, disconnect, reconnect. And now that I restarted the stream, it's back to normal again, so a little bit peculiar, I will say. Okay, so who needs resist dark? Let's actually find that out. Okay, who is weak against dark? All right, let's see. Oh, you. Okay, we're definitely selecting that for you. There we go. Now Canuck is resistant to dark now. That is good. All right, let's do it. All right, let's see. Okay. Hold on. That's, okay. And then... Okay, we're gonna... There we go. And then... That way you don't have to do that. And then, what do we do next? There we go. And then... There we go. Got it. Resist. Ow. Not resisting. Aha. Ha! Ha! What an idiot. These guys are such idiots. All right. So. There we go. There's that. And then we can go sidestep over here. And then there's that. Let's see. Canuck hasn't healed anyone yet, so let's go ahead and heal up to here. There. Now let's see if I can. I don't think I can get up there again. Okay. There we go, at least. Guess we're not doing this in 2 turns. Oh no! Hit me again, why don't ya? Alright. Guess we can sidestep and do it like that. Then we can get Destin on the scene. Then we can heal up Destin. Then okay. You know what? That's good enough. I think we're good. Good work. We got a B at least. Nice. Next is this way. You can't be in here! And yet, here we are. Alright. Now we need to... Oh, 6 of them only, huh? Okay. Get Mercy on the scene. And let's get ready. Okay. So sidestep. There's that. And then... Got that one. Oh, I forgot to put Canuck on here. I just realized that. Okay. Let's see. Do we still have... Oh, guess we can do... There we go. I guess that would do it. Just need to kill 2 more. Oh, major news. Well, go right ahead then in this case. I'm in the planning phase. Feel free to let us know what the major news happens to be. Hopefully it's something good in this case. Because I always like to celebrate good news whenever it comes up, no matter who the person happens to be. Ooh. Let's see, I'm just gonna go ahead and put some lotion on the flabby skin so the flab continues to absorb efficiently. There we go. Very good, very good. That's it, that's it. Good. It's always good to moisturize whenever you can. Well, especially for a blog when you're always absorbing God knows what in this regard. But yeah, I'd love to hear what your news is in this case. Oh, okay, maybe I can do a bit of stretching then. Ooh. Ooh, okay. That's it. That's it. Ooh. There we go. There we go. Nice and easy. There we go. There we go. Get those monumental rolls into formation. There. That's what it's all about. I'm being a little bit stiff as of late. Ooh! You're engaged! Yes! Oh, that is good news! Congratulations, kitten, in this regard. That is definitely something to celebrate in this regard. Wishing you and your partner, and master in this regard, the best of luck in getting things all prepared for the big togetherness. Don't fart to ruin the occasion! Shush! Bird! How dare you fart when she made an announcement like that? Bird! Very inappropriate. Shame on you. Shame on you. Wait, was that actually you? It was. How dare you? Just double checking to make sure I'm blaming the right person here. And I see the redeems. You got lucky this time. You got lucky. You're freaking out? But hopefully in a good way. I know weddings can be a little bit expensive, but I'm sure you'll get the good amount of support in the meantime to make it all finalized. It's gonna take a lot of effort, but I'm glad that you got into this point where you are at a stage where you can hopefully... Bird, come on! I know it's 100 bits, but couldn't you use 100 bits on something else? You're ruining a very precious moment. Oh, Bird. Bird! I can't believe you sometimes. I just can't blobby believe you. Are you married, Bird? Is this how you go about showing your affection? Okay. Now then, at the end of the day, I am happy for you, kitten. And I hope with this lovely engagement, there are many more grand things to come. It's gonna take a lot of dedication to get things prepped up, but I'm sure it will work so much wonders in the meantime. You are... Bird. Is this how you basically... Spaghetti makes you gassy? Is it the carbs? Blobby hell, Bird. Learn how to hold it in, especially when it's a special announcement. You can fart any other time. Why you have to fart now? Why do you have to fart now? Okay. Now that we got that out of the way, I'm so happy for you then in this case, kitten. I'm glad that it did occur. And I'm wishing you all, you and him, the absolute best. All right. Now that we got that all squared away, I guess we can go ahead and continue kicking ass. All right. Let's see here. No, I guess you could go about it different ways, though. There we go. Get in there. Aha! We got it. All right, let's see. Side step. Nah, not really, huh? Can do this, though. There we go. Good work, good work. And that will do it. Looks like that familiar's doing some good wonders for this. Oh, what's this? I'm tough. Complete a battle with no characters for the modifier class. I guess you can say that again, Bird. You can... Okay, maybe don't say that again. It depends on her type of humor. Now we go up there. Oh, look, a skeleton. What? What? We're just coming across a lot of these fellas today. Oh, this looks simple enough. Okay, Destin and Canuck this time. All right, let's get it started. I think we're gonna be good to go here. At least hopefully. Okay. There we go. And then there. Nice. Good work, good work. And now we'll sidestep over here. Like that. Team up this time. Okay, we got half of them down. Uh-oh. Resist. Resist. Good job. We're resisting the gangster vibe. Okay. So. Okay. Oh, wait. No, let's not do that. Let's go. Wait, hold on. We could probably go like so. Get you out of the way. Get you there. And then get rid of you. All right. And we don't have enough to really get to the rest of it. That's dandy. Oh well. At least we got all of our enemies taken down. Well, dandy. All right. Oh, okay. Hold on. Just gonna go in here. Then we can just sidestep. There we go. And then we can go right in there. And get you in there. Get you in there. And then Canuck is just standing right in there. All right, there we go. All right. Fine enough there. Where is this path supposed to be leading us? There's one room on the map that's a different color. It's just the next room over. All right. Jackpot! What is it? Looks like a bunch of skin? So there is a giant snake in here! I think it's a gangster slogged off skin. If this is the patriarch, then Anthony was right. He isn't human anymore. Do we like gather it up, take it back, or what? I guess that would make sense. Then you know for sure that his patriarch has changed. Let's just fold it up. What if he just took a picture of it like normal people? I don't want to carry human skin around. Oh, that might also work. Gross! Taking pictures of dead skin? Disgusting! But dragging that dead skin around? Perfection! This is our best bet. Let's go see if Anthony recognizes this. All right. Wait, do we have to go back the way we came? Uh-oh. Wait, how do we get out? Where's the arrow? Do I see an arrow around here? Do We have an arrow around here somewhere? Why can't we go out this door? Oh, here. I guess that helps. Okay. Oh, that's not my dad, the conclusion. Let's go here then. Well, that's unfortunate. Can we buy anything though? Yeah, the wall slam. There we go. Now we should be good to go on that. And now... Ah, jeez, I knew this was gonna be trouble. That kid is surrounding my demons. Not touch child! Oh, wait, is he trying to defend his child? Suddenly looks that way. Then we're here to help. All right, here we go. Is he an extra party member then? Oh, I was kind of hoping he would be. All right, let's try this lineup. We don't have any... Let's see. Nope, we need 2 people, so nope, not yet. Okay. All right. Let's see. Okay. Then... Guess we can heal you up. There we go. There. Then... Ooh, we can do that. Well, that might have not been the greatest idea, but at least I can heal someone up. There we go. All right. Ah, dang it, she's poisoned. But now he... Oh. Okay, we definitely need to heal her up then. All right, here we go. So... There we go. And then... There. All right, that's taken care of. And we're gonna slide on here. Then... There's that. Okay. Well, that makes things convenient. We all have to slide in there, don't we? All right. That's not exactly jolly, but it will have to do. There we go. Team up! More team-ups! Alright. Let's do this now. Okay, first and foremost. Okay. We took care of the poison. Well, that took care of them. All right. And then... All right, there we go. Nice. Mm-hmm. And... Might as well heal you up. And there we go. All right, we did it. Within 3 turns and no one died. Excellent. Thank.
Yeah, thank you. What were those things?
Those were demons, kid.
Demons?
Yeah. There's one inside your dad, too.
What? Really?
Definitely. But it seems attached to you anyway.
Child good. Best boy.
You're not gonna hurt him because he's a demon, are you?
I'll just confirm something first. Mercy, you want to see what Pocket has to say? Pocket, check him out. Oh, good Pocket. Good Pocket. Well, the Pocket says Snurf. I guess it's all right. You can't be all bad.
Raise child honor student. Joy PTA.
You okay with this kid?
Well, yeah, I think so. We get to play a lot more. Even if he talks funny and might be a demon or whatever, he's still my dad.
Well, that's nice. It's good to see family coming together sometimes.
Family good. You take.
Never thought I'd see you let a demon live. Neither did I. Things are getting really weird around here. Pocket's nose knows.
Puck, the herald. Angel sings.
And we got nothing to buy in the shop. Delightful. All right, what else do we have? We did find the king of fish. All right, time to go back to the farm.
Nothing will grow here, you know.
Not with that attitude. All right, Anthony, here's what we found. Does this look like your patriarch's tattoos?
Damn, that's his back all right. He's still out there walking around. What is this?
Maybe he's the real one and this is something else. I can tell you we've been seeing a lot of possession around here. Your buddies have been taking students off of the abandoned classroom and making them watch cursed videos, turning them into vessels for demons.
I'm sorry. I knew they were up to something, but I guess I turned a blind eye, so I wouldn't have to find out the truth.
I say there's a good chance your patriarch has been possessed by a demon and replaced. His body is just an empty shell now.
Damn, all those years wasted. Wish I could tell the boys.
Why don't you? You can round up some others that think like you and take your game back over.
Nah, I can't do that. I'm a nobody. Getting kicked out of the organization's the biggest thing I ever did. Plus, I hear they're trying to bring the big boss back. Like the biggest boss. Nobody will raise a finger against him. At this point, who knows if he's even who the legends say he is.
So,
I'm sorry, I can't do it. As you can see, the others don't really expect me very much right now. On the other hand, if you maybe knew someone from higher up in the organization who could lead us, that might be something we could rally around. Could get more of the map together for you too.
that's something to try anyway. Thanks for your help so far.
I knew I smell a rat. This time I knew you talk. I heard it all. Gonna turn your back on the patriarch, huh? You know what he's doing is wrong. He's not even the real patriarch. Try saying that with no tongue, squealer.
And then the elderly farmers just stand off to the side. Well, this is quite the formation. Let's get Destin in the mix. All right. We'll get this. Got that taken care of. Then let's get your attack up. Yep, we can do this. There we go. And let's see. And then... There we go. And since she's resistant to their attacks, I think that would be just fine, her being like that in front of the others. Ooh, they definitely like to team up, that's for sure. Hey! What the hell? You're supposed to be teaming up against her! That didn't go exactly according to plan. But you know what? I'll do this. There we go. And then... I think we'll... Go like that for stun. And then... No. Let's see. Try something else here. Go like that. And then... Guess we can go like right over here. And then... Like so. Then... Okay, we gotta hold off here. Alright, hope this works. Okay. Oh, of course you would go after her. Of course you would. Dang it. Alright. Alright, and then... Go like that. Let's just... Oh, wait, hold on. We still need to take care of... There we... Oh. Wait, hold on. There we go. Now we got it. And Canuck can just, stay tight. Well, we definitely got a C that time. Yup. Could have been a lot better.
Pfft, you're lucky you got protection. Damn, I'm toast.
We'll solve this. I have an idea. Oh. Yay! People can study again! Alright, let's see if there's anything else we can do in the map. Let's see. Okay. Oh, just speak with him real quick.
Maybe I should just be a farmer after all.
You never know. Okay, let's go back to the store maybe, see if they got anything new. Don't think they do. Nope. Alright, we're good on that. Let's see.
You better fall in with the rest of us.
Yes, sir. Oh, we can pet the dog. Don't you get tired of doing the same thing every night?
What are you talking about? This is our first time going out.
Pet the dog. Yeah, good boy, good girl. Not too sure. But it looks like you're so happy. Oh, you're not wearing a jacket. It's freezing out here. He's got an 8. I guess that gives him special privileges. Sure. We can drop a coin in here again. All right. Let's talk with Anya. Anya, just who I was looking for. You again. Just hear me out. There are factions forming within the gangster organization. There's talk about how some big boss is coming back. We might be able to break them up while all this is happening. Why? Why are you talking to me about it? Why do you keep coming to me with this? Okay, I don't want to be pushy, but I've seen tattoos. And the work you're hiding under your sleeves is not just anything. Those are gangland tattoos. I had to study them with my grandfather because a lot of them stem from demonic imagery. Big boss, huh? Fine. If it'll end this, what do you want me to do? Just come with me. I need you to talk to somebody. Is she gonna join our team? Anthony, I'm not sure if this is...
Sir, if I'm not... I may have been cast out, but I still serve.
Damn, who is she? Get that BS degree? I'll try, Gentleman Eldridge. Those are greetings and salutations to you. Hope you're doing well. Welcome.
Well, report. The big boss is coming. The big boss. The boss of Leslie.
Oh.
Our patriarch is doing everything to make that happen. Things that go against what we stand for.
What are you up to now, huh?
Looking for more trouble? What? You don't know who she is.
Don't cross me, punk. Is she gonna be a part of our team? Nope. No way she is. Oh, she is a team member. Okay. I'm gonna go with Nanako and Canuck then. Let's take a look here in our profiles. So let's see. Oh, she doesn't show up. Well, at least we can, a spirit buff. Let's go with that. We'll go with you and you. Faye said the teacher's underwear when they bent over and tried to acknowledge. Namako failed to do so. Okay. Okay, who needs a spirit buff then? Let me actually... No, go back. Ah, damn it. Ah, shoot. I did not plan this to be in advance. Okay. All right. Oh, we know what we have to do here. Oh, that was so satisfying. Okay. All right. Let's see. Wait. Okay. We're gonna actually do it like this. And then... There we go. And let's see now. There we go. And that's it. Oh, they do hit. I always thought they wanted to crawl to the... Okay. Yeah. Oh, wait, who are those fellas with the hands on their heads? Hand Slinger moves 2 tiles seeking opponent. Summons hands 5 tiles in the straight line to inflict grab. Well now. Okay. Okay. There we go. And then... Let's see here. Yep, and go right in. There we go. Anya, you're a good part of the team. Oh, you use a knife. All right, I think we might have a good team member here. If only I knew how to pronounce her name. Damn, she got this good. I told you, this is the daughter of the Godfather. Look at her marks. Damn! My sincerest apologies. I will atone for it at once. This is why I didn't want to get involved. Don't atone or anything. But this is a relief. I thought that when they were talking about the boss coming back, they meant my father. Ah, so that's who they were asking you to contact. Yeah, he's the godfather of this entire region. I moved here to get away from the family and from the organization. He wouldn't let me go to school anywhere except somewhere the organization had a branch. This was the furthest flung, so I thought maybe a little distance would help me get away from it. But if the boss of Legend is coming back, we have to do something about that. Who's this boss of Legend? They say he's the one who will unite us all, but there are also rumblings that he's not human. And you're relieved it's maybe some inhuman thing and not your dad? Exactly. You understand. I think you're gonna fit in with this group just fine. Oh, is she a part of our team now? Oh, she is. Look at that. Look at that. All right, so we got 2 more days left then in this case. All right. Okay, I thought there might have been something that we could fish. But let's go to the lighthouse and make a tribute. Do that real quick. And there we go.
Tributary. I wonder whether you could bring more people to me.
Oh, sure, I'm not starting a religion for you or anything, though.
I understand. Perhaps you can share with the people that I may bestow blessings upon them.
As long as you actually want to help people out.
Helping them helps me. You've seen it yourself.
I guess that's true. Okay, well, next time I come around and see what I can do. Ooh, oh, thanks. 30 opals, here we go. I've been bribed, so here we go. We have been bribed. All right, let's see if there's anything new in the store. Nope. See if there's anything new in the junk pile. Nope. All right. Wait. Can Anya? Nope. Not yet. Anya's not that part of the team like so yet. All right. Let's see. I guess that's about it for the moment. Okay. Let's get this started. So you're the Godfather's daughter, huh?
He's one of several.
But he is the head of a main branch. The group here is much smaller, barely a blip on the radar. That's why I came to this island. I figured out here in the sticks nobody would recognize me and I wouldn't have to get involved with any family business. But over time, more the rank and file started to get the idea who I was. And they started coming to me for consultation. Wouldn't have stepped in sooner if I knew all this was going to happen. Sorry to drag you back in. It's fate of the world type stuff. The gang is being run by a demon, we are pretty sure.
I believe it. And as much as I don't want to get involved, I don't want to see my family go down a dark path.
Maybe you can help us take these guys down a peg?
No sense hiding now.
I'll do what I can. Thank you! Let's see if we can get more of that map. Say, Antony, where are you with?
Boss, thank you for coming. Okay, you don't have to worry about...
Okay, you don't have to worry about all that. Recruited a couple more guys, I see.
Yeah, it's not that the Godfather's daughter is here. We don't have to listen to the patriarch anymore. We can start getting back to how things used to be. The main organization is on the mainland, but this island is where our little group got started, back in the old days. We steal from rich merchants who came for trade and distributed the wealth around the island. We undermine the disagreements and make our people were taken care of. But after all the war, the island council sold out the local farms, our craft industries closed down. Plans for the prison and the school went out. Suddenly we were reliant entirely on the mainland. Somebody got rich off of that, but it sure wasn't us. When we couldn't take care of everything anymore, we got absorbed into a bigger group. But we still got our pride. If there's a chance to take things back, we're gonna take it.
To be clear, I haven't agreed to lead you.
We'll follow just the same.
What do you know about the bunker?
I don't actually know what it was used for originally. We just took it over some decades ago because it was secure. The military built it and we weren't out in until they abandoned it.
Well, you can map it, right?
Oh yeah, these guys can show you a bit more of what they got on their backs. But the key is, hate to ask this. Boss?
Me?
Your tattoos are different from ours. I have a hunch you'll find out what you're looking for with her. But I can't ask you to bare your back in front of everyone.
Psst. It's fine. I don't care. So cool!
Oh! Look at that back! If you look here, this isn't on any map I see. That'll be the room you're looking for. Nobody but the Godfather's family will be able to see that.
Do you mind if I get a picture of it?
Go nuts.
Let's go check it out. This whole scenario seems tailor-made for you, Anya. It's weird. It's very like my father to set up something incredibly elaborate to teach me a lesson. I bet if we went on another family branch, I had the key to some long-lost treasure that goes on my back, too. Your dad sucks. But also, that's pretty cool.
While you search, I'm gonna try and drum up some more support.
Yay, support. It's always nice to have support.
Living that exile life. Yay.
Alright, let's see then. Alright, so let's see. My face is a ghost. Yeah, why not? Let's see. Oh, there's Destin.
I feel like I'm picking up an alien signal over here.
Sure, buddy. Sure. Bread? Here, I'll give this to the fish. Wait, are you supposed to give bread to fish? Oh, so there might not be any fish in here. Uh-oh. Well, it's too late now, Faye.
Pardon me.
Yeah, what's up?
Do I look normal to you?
No, dude, you look really fancy.
Thank you, but that's not what I mean. I mean my face.
You look like a regular person to me.
I see. The trouble is, this isn't what I look like. I'm afraid my face is a ghost.
A ghost? Just your face? Is that something that happens?
I don't know, but I think the face you're seeing isn't mine. I only realized it when people I know quite well stopped recognizing me.
Oh, that's really strange.
Some people I never met thought they knew me, and they were all much older. So this face, I think it's someone else's.
You keep saying you think. You can't tell?
Well, when I look in the mirror, I still see my own face.
Oh, wow. So you just found out because people told you?
That's right. But when anyone else looks in the mirror with me, they don't see any difference. Would you be willing to take a look?
Absolutely, you got me curious.
Me first!
Okay, I got a hand mirror here.
Oh my god!
What do you see?
Oh my god!
What?
You got a huge booger! Like, massive!
At least you're honest, Destin.
Oh my, that's so embarrassing!
Totally! But your face looks normal to me.
Maybe it's all just in my head.
Let me try. Wow, that's a totally different person.
You can see me?
In the mirror, yeah, but looking at you without it, you're totally different.
So it is a ghost.
I'd like to see as well. Come on over.
Oh. To me, your face looks the same in the mirror.
I'm sorry. I thought sure you'd be able to, Namako.
Wait! I caught just a flash. For a moment. It was definitely different.
Nice! You just gotta believe in yourself.
What a haunted face. That's a new one. You're the only people I've been able to see the real me so far. But still, it's quite a relief.
How come I can't see it, huh? I want to see.
Not enough demon training.
I'm gonna have to bulk up.
Do you have any idea what I can do?
Let's ask Namako. What do you think?
If she looks different in the mirror, maybe she'll look different in the photo as well?
Good idea. We'll try to get to the bottom of this. Might be related to some other stuff I'm looking into these days. I'll just take a few photos to compare.
Got it! Oh, thank you so much. I think for now I just have to pretend this is my real face. As much as that creeps me out. My name is Francine, by the way, in case that helps.
Got it, Francine. We'll get you back to normal somehow or other.
I sure hope so.
All right. There's that then. Do we have anything else that we need to... We can't do anything with Anya yet. Okay, let's try it. Interesting. Looks like some of these guys are living here. We must be getting closer. What exactly are we looking for? Professor Fenton says we're gonna know it when we see it. That's not very helpful. It is not.
but it probably has something to do with these guys.
You coming to our home now?
Actually,
We live here.
this is our house.
Yeah, we live here. Huh, never seen you around here before. Wait a second. You don't live here at all.
Busted.
No, get out of here.
Looks like you don't recognize your higher-ups.
So what? Maybe I don't recognize him. There's a bigger boss coming. Something the likes of you can't handle.
We'll see. Okay, so she's still stuck in our party, right? Yep, she's still stuck. Oh, wait. I guess we can pick her now. Oh, she's weak to... Wait. Hold on. Anya is the Godfather's daughter. Yet, she's weak against... Wait, hold on. She's weak against these gangsters? What? Okay, that's like a really bad thing to be weak towards, I have to say. What the hell? Wow. Okay. Not really a good thing to be weak against. Maybe she's the one that really needs the resist dark buff then. Alright. Let's go to the profiles. We still can't do Anya though. Alright. Abilities. Alright, we still... Okay. Wait. Go back to profiles. Let's see. Who's weak against dark again? Okay. Oh, wait. I know who it is. It is you. Oh. Oh, we already got that equipped. So what was the other thing then in this case? Let me go back to my abilities. What was the other thing that we equipped it? I mean, there's a lot of possibilities here. All right. Guess we'll just get started then, I guess. Okay. There we go. So I got rid of all of them. Okay, let's go. And then... Okay. Let's see. Hold on. That might be a little bit of a gamble here. Okay. Okay, we can do that. Okay. And then... Okay. And then... There we go. And then... Alright. Maybe that will help then. Yep, just keep healing her. No, not her. You are idiots sometimes. Okay. Yep, keep hitting her. These fellas are so stupid. Why are they so stupid? You're doing some of our work. Oh my word, I can't believe it. All right, there's that. There we go. And then we'll go right to you. There we go. Then.
Okay. There we go. And now... don't think we're... No. Well, at least we got all of them taken care of, I suppose. All right. Well, that's it. So, we can just do this in the meantime. Good work, team. It might have not been the turn target, but at least we got that squared away. Oh, we actually might get this chapter done, or week done, sooner than expected. Things would be easier on these guys if we just let us do what we want. These doors are a bit of a challenge, though. You can't open it? Don't worry, we know somebody. Oh. They're gonna go for her. Yep. Knew it. I knew they were gonna go for her. Wait. Let's see. We'll talk with these people first. Don't touch my stuff. Okay. What's up, Canuck? You look concerned. I don't want to alarm you, but I got another strange email. I doubt we put a stop to that. What? I thought we put a stop to that. What's this one say? Something along the lines of how they are heir to a vast fortune of memories, and they only need 5 brain stems to get access to it. I get that these demons are trying to modernize their scams via the internet, but you can't attach a brainstem to an email. Actually, I just got that email too, and they have a whole step-by-step process for it. Weird. But the whole island is cut off, right? Where are these mails coming from? It's sent over intranet, so it could only be coming from here at the Net Cafe, since it's also connected to the school network. I've been here off and on all day. I didn't see any demons. Then let's check out the cafe. The owner owns me some free game time if we solve this, so we can kill 2 birds with 1 stone. I think you mean feed 2 birds with 1 scone. Do I? I don't think I've ever heard that phrase before. Hey, Net Cafe lady? We've been getting more weird emails. Can we look in your shop? It's been closed since those emails started coming. I'm too spooked! Up. Pocket seems to think there's something inside. Sorry, lady, we're busting in. Because busting makes us feel, what the heck is this?
Congratulations! You won! Single women are waiting for you now! Enter your details to claim your prize! That includes your card number, the 3 digits of your security code, your social security number, and don't forget the due date! Brainstems are losing value! Sell now! We attempt the delivery of this gold ring to your residence!
Oh god, it's a content farm. A demonic content farm. As if we're another kind. We have to put an end to this.
All right. Oh, I nod wants nothing to do with this, I see. All right, let's get Destin on the case and Canuck. Okay. Oh, it's very closed off, I see. Well, goody goody. Well, actually, no. Let's not do that. Let's not do that at all, shall we? Okay. Let's go. Okay. And then we can get them. And then... got them. And then... there we go. And we can get... there. There seems to be a good amount of people. Or demons here. Uh-oh. The blast zone. Okay, we gotta get them. Uh-oh. Lot of blast radiuses here. Oh. Well, this doesn't seem to bode too well for us. Alright. Did I really want to do that? There we go. Well, I just did. Okay. There we go. And we just need to get one more soul down. So I'm just gonna get rid of that one. Oh, he's dead. We did not do good that time. Oh, so he was poisoned. All right. So, go ahead and get yourself in here. There we go. There we go. And, yeah, it'd probably be good to heal her up just to be on the safe side. And then, there we go. And let's give her one more. There we go. Yay! We did it! We got the demon content farms all taken care of. Hey guys, what'd I miss? That was kind of satisfying.
No more creepy emails.
At least not from demons.
How did it go in there?
There was a bit of a portal situation going on, but we handled it.
You mean like a web ring?
No, but, well, kind of. Anyway, your email problem should be over.
Amazing, thank you.
So,
Yes? You said you gave me a free week of time on your gaming PC? That doesn't sound like me.
looks like she lost her memories. Well, isn't that convenient?
You're welcome to come back and pay.
Dang it! See if I do you a favor again.
Oh, but I did print out this weird email. Seemed different from the others. You can have that.
Ooh, heal defense. Why would I want... Oh, actually, this could be helpful. Andy, well, I'm coming back. I still want my Counter-Strike time. Oh, Counter-Strike, of course. Of course you want the Counter-Strike. All right, let's see. Is there anything else? I think that is it. Unless there's something in the store. I don't think there is, but let me double check. Nope. We're raising a good amount of money, though. Let's see. There she is in all her glory. We got special permission to use the gym at night. I see. D, old buddy, old pal. What do you need now?
Oh, you remember last time?
That's encouraging. Yeah, you were getting into all kinds of nonsense with gangsters. I did not want to get involved. Interesting. Well, we got another monster of a door for you. Pass. I promise you it's heavier than the last one. Plus, you can show us how to do it properly. Think of the teaching opportunities. Okay, I'll show you so you don't have to ask me again. All right, teach us how it's done. Okay, so this one opens laterally. You gotta use your back muscles. Again, plant your feet and... That was not heavier than the last one, by the way. Just uses muscles you're not used to. I see, I see. Thank you. Is she gonna be in the party now? Huh, just a bunch of skellos. That doesn't bother you? Not really, we all got them.
I recognize this. We use puzzle boxes like this for valuables in my life family. Can you open it? Let's see. There we are. You recognize it? It's a piece of silver. The first money we ever made in the family, apparently. It's an object of power, or so my dad says. This is from my father's vault. It shouldn't be here. Well, I assume that's what our assignments is, so let's... Oh, did that demon just steal? Damn! We got to catch that thing that got the silver! What was that? Would you believe it was a demon? If you just open the door, we can show you. Hell no! I see that you have your own problems here. I'm just gonna go back and mind my own. Poor T.
How do get in here? Not even lulled in here. Maybe there's some good thing I could snag.
The only people taking anything is us! Wait, that's not quite right.
Get them!
All right, here we go. Okay. Oh, looks like Anya is not part of the team, so that's fine. Okay. We still can't. Probably not yet, at least. All right. Wait. There we go. Oh, he's gonna jump over there, I see. Here's your big hopper. Here's your big hopper. Ooh. All right. Got that at least then. Okay. Get out of this zone. There we go. Okay. Oh, we better get you out of there then. Yeah, that will work. Then... Ah, it's still live and ticking. Well, we got out of that. No, not the hands. Oh, that's just lovely. All right, let's see here. First off, got you out of there. And let's see. Get you out of the way. All right. That's it. It's like a good amount of hand beatdowns at this point. There we go. Now we just need to get you. No. Wait. Ah, wish I can get down to that. Well, at least I'm out of the way. Let's see. Oh, we don't have enough for you, though. But I have enough for... Nope. Oh, yeah. Okay. Just gonna go up this way, then. Boom! Oh. No, no, you're tethered. Ha! Okay. So let's see. All right, let's see. There we go. And now... There we go. Okay, I'm gonna bring you up here. And then... There we go. Perfect. Got them all under our fingertips. Good work, team. What do we do about that door? Don't want to lose my family silver. Not sure we can get through that without tea. Ah, final day. Here we go. That dog is going crazy. All right, let's see. All right, so we can go to the lighthouse and play tribute again. Here we go. Go ahead and drop a coin in there. Okay, listen. This is not usually my kind of thing, but this is a shrine to an old mountain king god. It lost power over the years because people stopped paying tribute. Now, I don't care about gods or whatever, but this being, whatever it is, it has been nice to me. It says it will give blessings to those who pay attention.
Blessings? Like what? Behold!
Like that.
It spoke!
It does that, but it also taught me some ancient martial techniques and stuff like that.
Interesting.
I'm game. Just come here and say hi to the shrine sometimes, right? Yeah, and learn more about the being that lives inside, pays small tributes, that sort of thing. Seems to need all this stuff to survive, and if it doesn't really ask for much.
Correct, my tributary. Attend me, and I shall protect you.
That sounds fun! Okay, see you soon, Shriney. There you have it. I'm sure if you help them out a little bit, word will get round.
You have my thanks.
Sure. You have a hard time remembering things these days, but I'll keep at it. Just don't go starting a cult, okay? Convenient time for you to be quiet.
Well, we'll have to wait and see.
All right, let's see. Let's check the junk pile. Any new... Nope. Nothing new there. Let's scavenge. Nothing there. And now... I guess Destin is here. Let's go about it. Don't suppose we need to do any cooking. Destin, what do you got that book for? What are we doing about that door without tea?
I'll do it.
You can't do it, Destin. None of us can. Hello, all. Are you almost done with your assignment? Getting there. We're just blocked by a giant door. Okay, well, trying to do it sooner than later. Masterson has really been leaning on me about this. I'm not sure why. Sounds like we all got our problems. Kestra apparently already finished her assignment. So we lose no matter what we do. Yes, well, do your best. Don't forget to come to class sometimes.
Hey guys, OMG, I hear T is in your group now. She's so tough and cool, dude. Yeah, I'm tough and cool.
You know T?
I know of her at least. She's like won so many amateur deadlift competitions, I can't even count them. She's absolutely going pro this year, I know it.
Huh. And that explains the super strength.
Ooh, I wish I could, like, go with you. Actually, Castro does too, but she's never tell you that. We're not allowed to meddle in the other team's assignments, apparently.
Oh, what things with your team anyway?
Like, kinda weird. They made Kestrel go on a new solo assignment. But I, guess I'm not supposed to talk about it.
That's pretty suspicious.
I know, right? So me and Ocean have, like, been just chilling around town, casually, seeing what Ty is up to, that kind of thing.
Huh. Well, it's cool that you're excited, but Ty isn't exactly in our group yet. She thinks we're nuts. All right, you nuts. I've signed up for your ridiculous club.
You have?
One of those little bold, squirrely things we saw last night showed up at the gym. I don't want vermin infecting my sacred space. Those are demons! They're gonna take over the world if we don't stop them. Whatever they are, I've already had enough of them. I'm ready to knock down that door and smash some of those things.
Well, all right, let's get to it! Yeah, the Big Mama is on the team! High-pitched excitement noises!
What's with them? You got a fan. Oh, nice.
I could have done it.
You want to arm wrestle?
No.
That's what I thought.
You had your chance to get on my good side.
Well, too bad. We're still gonna try something. And I guess that's you know who. Okay, so let's see. Is there anything that we haven't gotten into yet and want to do before anything else? I guess it's the bunker. Oh, now we got 2 new party members.
Is this the door?
That's it. That's my kind of woman.
I could have done that.
You could not. Oh, this looks like some kind of lab. There are some notes here. This seems to was originally a bomb shelter. I knew it. But more recently, someone was experimenting with the possession of dead bodies.
I knew it.
You did?
There wasn't a good time to bring it up.
So not only can they possess the living, they can possess dead bodies too? That's why the gangsters were carting bodies off then. Whoever wrote those notes, though, the department head was going too far and tried to stop them. Looks like it became an experiment for their trouble. Damn, that's... Are you okay? Yeah, I'm fine. Just had a sudden pain in my head. Just like any other main protagonist does. Normally when we get too deep, like something trying to get in there. That doesn't sound good. Anyway, what's that thing?
Oh, hi.
That must be the result of their experiments. Zombies now? There's not enough to deal with already? I'll smash them good.
Oh, they're all zombies, I see. And gangsters. Alright. You know what? Nanako, we'll get T in the party. And Canuck. Alright. Let's... No! No! Ah, oh, damn it, I forgot to... There we go. You know what? Hold on. Hold on. Restart battle, please. I gotta look at the profiles. What am I doing? Alright. Let's see. Brawler type who knocks enemies back with both fists. A special use of the other element to push enemies in all directions around her, allowing for multi-person combos. Okay. Let's go to abilities then. Healing an ally also buffs defense, making them take 1 fewer damage. Honestly, this would be a good thing for Canuck, I think. So let's get this one. Canuck finished 10 minutes early and started reading an anime zine. Alright, there we go. Let's see. I guess we can go with... There. Go with that. And then there's no available shifts. Now what about you, T? You're weak against dark. Man. Okay, someone is already... Let's go with shield for you, and... I guess we don't have anything else right now at the moment. Shield might be good for her, though. Okay. Alright, let's try this now. Let's do it! Yeah, let's get this. Got those zombies. We'll get a well, hold on. Oh, yep, we can do this. There we go. And then... Ooh, that was a 4 right there. Okay. There we go. And I can do maybe one more. Yeah, maybe do... There we go. Well, at least they're slow. Haha! Good for you! Just keep going. Haha! Oh, 4 zombies. Okay. So let's see. There we go. And then... Okay. Let's see. There we go. Can do the special here. There we go. And... Let's see. And then we can probably... Okay. Doomed? Oh! I see. Okay. Uh-oh. That's no good. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Yep, and we can just go right in. Wait. Oh, wait. Shoot. I knew we had some more that we needed to do. Okay. Okay. Guess we're not quite done yet. Ho 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 ho! Nice blocking there. All right. Okay. There we go. There we go. That's all taken care of. There. There. And there. That should do it. All right, there we go. May have not made a target, but we did good. At least I hope we did. Aya! Looks like we got your silver back. Oh, good. Well, that wasn't there before. I think that's the hidden room from Anya's tattoo. Maybe she had to be holding her family heirloom in the room for it to open. Huh? As a ritual requirement, open the seal on this door. Oh. They always know right when to show up. Back! All of you! We don't listen to you, boss. We don't listen to the dean. We don't listen to anybody but the boss of legend. I'm just gonna say it. This might be too many. Boss, I rounded up some of the old cheese. We'll take care of this. You go on ahead. Thanks, Anthony. You got it, boss. We're here for you. Keep the old ways. And Faye, the boss of legend is coming. We can help you with that. But you protect Anya, or you answer to me. I'm trusting you guys.
You got it! I'm possessed!
Defeat the boss of legend, huh?
What is this place? You suckers came all the way here just to get destroyed by me, huh? Fitting tribute. You haven't heard? There's a new boss in town. Her name's Anya. Peons, ants, you're too late. I'm back. I am resurrected.
He certainly talks like a boss of legend.
I was lord of this island before and I will be again. Not if I break all your bones. Nice. You're welcome to try. I'll come back again and again. And my family out there will rise too. We'll take this world before the rest can even get here.
By the rest, you mean?
Yeah, so we're getting out of him. Time to cut off the head.
Here we go. All right. Looks like we'll have... Let's have... Anya in the party. Oh, wait. Yep, Namako. And then... And Konok, I think. Let's see. We probably can't do any more. Yeah. Not at this time, it looks like. Okay.
Oh, this song is so good.
Oh, is that all Legion? Oh, okay, so we need to get out of that. We do need to get out of this zone. Okay. Wait. There we go. Okay. Let's see. Gonna go over here. Ah, we don't have enough. Okay. No attack this time. Guess it was kind of wasted there. Oh, great. Okay. Now then. Okay, that's one. See here. Get you out of the way. Okay. Then. Okay. There we go. And we'll get you out of the way here too. No, let's reverse that. There we go. There we go. All right. Something big is coming down. There we go. Okay. And then... Okay. And then... Let's see. What else should I... Oh, here. There we go. Oh, it heals up, huh? That's lovely then. Okay, we need to get out of that range. Okay. No, let's not do that. There we go. Let's see. There we go. Ah. Guess that's not really the best thing to do. No. Okay. And then... Oh, not enough. Okay. There we go. Okay, we do need to get rid of them. Oh. Okay. Okay, got that one out of the way. Let's see. There we go. And then gonna move over here. And we need to nope, doesn't look like we're go over here. There. And then, let's see. And then, oh yeah. All right, that will have to do. We're not making a lot of progress here. Yeah, we gotta get rid of them. Okay. It's the regenerative phase. Oh, hold on. Okay, got those out of the way. Okay. Let's see. There. And now, who else? Oh yeah, the sun. Oh. Hold on. We need to replan this. We need to get rid of the zombies for sure. I think that's what we need to do so it doesn't heal up. Okay. Well, there's that. There we go. Okay, let's see if we can, take care of this zombie. And then, who else can move? Hold on. There. Now you don't have any. There we go. Now it doesn't heal. That makes things a little bit more beneficial. No healing from that outing. Okay. Okay, so Canuck is the only one that needs to get out of the way. There we go. And then we just need to go. There we go. Let's see, even he's able to hurt. Okay. Wait, hold on. I feel like I need to take care of you next, so that way you don't try anything, and then we need you to get out of the way. There we go. That should do it. Oh, it healed up from that too. Well, that's no good. That's no good at all. Okay. So let's see. Ooh, we can do all these. There we go. There we go. Then. Okay. Wait. Go ahead and do what you did there. And then. Ah, dang it. So we need you out of the picture. There we go. And then you. Give it a good old hit. There we go. We are definitely not going to meet our turn quota. Okay, we got to get... Oh! Ooh. That's no good. Okay. All right. No, not that. Okay. Okay, got that all taken care of. Ooh, she slides in quite nicely. Okay. Man, I don't know. There. And... wait. Yeah, I think that might be what we do in this case. Oh, there we go. The doom is off. Excellent. Oh, wait. Do that again. Man, we are not doing good with the time. Keeps healing from the zombies. Okay. And I am not planning this out accordingly. Okay. Okay. No, let's not do it with that. Kind of wish that we can do... Okay. Let's see. There we go. And then... Okay. And then... Wait. Guess we'll have to do it like that for now. And he healed yourself. Great. Okay, we can heal her in the meantime. Oh, and we gotta get out of that area. All right. Got that taken care of. And then, there we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. It's just part of Legion. You know how it is. Uh-oh. All right. We probably should move her out of the way then. Nope. Guess we're just gonna have to go with... There. Guess we'll have to do this. Dang it! Didn't think a zombie was gonna get taken. Uh-oh. All right. All right. Okay. All right, we got that off of our hands. Okay, and then... Ah, wait, hold on. Can we move her at all? Let's see. There we go. I guess that would do it. Damn, it healed up again. This is like a slogfest right now. Okay, we need to get out of there. Okay. Put you over here. Okay. Got it. There we go. Now we just need to bring you over here, get that relieved, and then... no, that's not gonna do. There we go. And now commence. Good golly, this thing has so much power. It's like taking me forever to beat this. Okay. So let's see. Got you out of the way. Okay. Got it. Okay. Okay, and now... Okay. Damn it! Oh, okay, we gotta stop it. Okay. Up, it's the absorption time. Get you out of the way. Now, there we go. Okay. 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 And then wait, hold on. Okay. Feel like we need to do this more wisely here. There's one of them taken down. Okay. There we go. Okay. Let me double check something real quick with this, because we want to get the zombies out of the way at least. Okay. And we don't want you tearing into this. And then got those out of the way. And we just need there we go. And let's see. We don't. All right. That will have to do for now, I suppose. So that way you don't heal up as much as you would like. We have got to get you. Oh, this is taking so many turns. Honestly, it isn't hard. It's more mundane at anything. Definitely more on the repetitive side of things. So we'll get you out. We're definitely gonna, well, actually, okay. Wait, hold on. We still need to. There we go. Good job. Good, nice fell swoop. And then there we go. And then there we go. Is this ever going to end? We're so close to the end here. All right, let's see. Okay. There we go. There we go. And then all right. I think we just need one more hit. I wish the attack up would help with the enemy boost. Ah, that's fine. Alright, we just need to give it one more hit and that should do it. Okay, this is the time. No holding back. Yeah, that should do it. There we go. Okay. And then... there we go. That should be it. More than double the turns. It did not need to take this long. Dear God, it did not need to take that long. Alright, B seems fine though. No one died.
Was that possession? Or something else?
That felt deeper than a simple possession. Or maybe it was just inhabited by a more powerful demon. Either way, I'm glad we settled it. So much for the boss of legend.
Me too. I'll rest easier here knowing they're gone.
Boss, you okay? If you please come with us, we want to tell you something.
If I must.
Listen, boss. I know you don't want to get involved with bad family business. We understand that. But you also always be the leader of this family. You defeated the boss of legend, and if it weren't for you, who knows what path we would have gone down. If you ever need us, we'll come running. Just ask. Salute!
Listen, you all. From here on, you are cast out of the organization.
What?
Don't misunderstand. I sever your ties with the main family. You are now on your own. You can run this island the way you used to, without interferences from the outside. In my last act as family head, Anthony, I name you patriarch of your own organization. I know you can do it. In honor and tribute, I sacrifice our family silver.
Boss!
She's so cool! Dang it!
That's... Faye, have you found someone that you want to crush on?
Thank you for this! I'll do my best. I won't shirk this honor, but we still owe you eternally. You saved our family. You saved this island. Salute! Pay tribute!
So, how did I do?
That's just about the coolest thing I ever seen! Also, your silver was a portal key. I was wondering how the broke you about destroying it, and you just sing! You did it!
You're the boss of this particular group, so if you need something like that, just ask. Thanks for giving me a chance to be myself. Thanks for having me aboard. Me too! It feels good to use these muscles for something.
Yeah!
Anya? Tay? Welcome to the Black Magic Club.
And this is where we're going to stop. Oh, she's working out here.
Who the heck is Umi? Nice place you got here.
It sure is. It sure is. All right, let's go ahead and save here. And that is going to do it for tonight. All right, nice. That one didn't take us long, and despite OBS decided to cut in and out, so there's probably going to be 2 broadcasts over on YouTube. Apologies for that, by the way. I'll try to organize it as like a part 2 to the whole encounter. But we did another week. We got another week taken care of. So now there are 6 more streams, I would say, approximately. So, thank you again. Now, to give you a heads up for next Sunday, there will be no Demon School that time. Instead,
Now that I know that my D&D group is going to be meeting up once again at 3 p.m. next Sunday, we're going to be doing our rescheduling of our indie animation pilot reactions next Sunday at 12 p.m. Central. So, feel free to stop on in on that. We're going to be going through 4 different indie animated pilots that don't know if they're going to be successful in getting an episode 2, but we figure we give them all the opportunities we can get. This includes Rebel Taxi's Loki IRL. This includes Lopsided Animations Long Gone Goksh. This also include Dungeon Flippers. And finally, one that I am definitely looking forward to from Jorge... Can't even believe I butchered that name. Jorge Gutierrez, the creator of Maya and the Three, El Tigre, and the Book of Life movie, El Guapo versus the Narco Vampires, a Mexican exploitation animated pilot. With animatics, basically, for it. So feel free to tune in on then for that, if you are interested in seeing that. And I will also include links when the time arises on how you can support those pilots and the studios behind them in the meantime. Now, with that said, tomorrow night, if everything looks to be going in golden, hopefully I'll be able to beat Sonic Generations tomorrow. So the next following week, we'll be tackling Shadow Generations. So that will be a little bit dandy in this case. So that's going to be tomorrow night, 7 p.m. Central on both Twitch and YouTube. You're more than welcome to join in on that if you would like. And a friendly reminder, the survey is still up. If you would like to provide any sort of feedback in regards to if you were around last year or you have anything in mind for this year, feel free to leave your suggestions, your feedback, anything to that degree. The link is going to be in the pinned comment on both Twitch and YouTube. Yes, I did make sure to add it on there again if you would like to make any sort of feedback. I always appreciate constructive criticism to hold me in the right direction. And of course, an added incentive, if you do decide to provide your Discord username for the final question, which that isn't completely optional. You do not have to do that if you don't wish. But I have a whole list of game codes that I still have. And if you happen to leave your Discord username, I will reply back to you as a token of my appreciation. You can have as many of those codes as you would like. Just as a way to say thanks. Now, depending on how many survey replies I do get, there may be a good amount of codes already taken, depending on how much they grab. So, if you want to get your hands on some of these codes possibly, you have until January 31st to do this survey, but the sooner the better if you want a good idea what those codes may be. And don't be stuck with lesser known ones, or maybe ones that you might like. Let's just put it at that. Ones that you may enjoy in the long term. Now, with that said, if you would like to follow my socials, here are my socials right here. Mainly, I'm on Blue Sky. I also have a second YouTube channel that is dedicated to past Twitch exclusive streams that I did before I did multi-streaming. And then we also have our Discord server. You're more than welcome to join that if you wish. You do have to be 18 or older to join. Here's the link for that as well. And if you want to check out Demonschool for yourself, here is the Steam page for it. It should be normally going for around $24.99. I don't think I've seen it on sale yet. So, there may be a chance you might get it on sale if you do wish list it. We got 6 more weeks to go for this game, so let's see how everything transpires. Now, with that said, feel free to follow me, my Twitch, if you are interested. And feel free to subscribe to me over on YouTube. Also, comment and like this stream if you would like to help me with the algorithm. Question of the day. I normally like to do these questions of the day just so it kind of gets the good old discussion going. And to see if you actually made it to the end of at least this stream. What I have
is as follows. What is your favorite video game that takes place in a school setting? Now, it doesn't have to be the obvious. It doesn't have to be high school. It could be kindergarten for all we know. It could be college. It could be some student penitentiary even. But whatever your favorite happens to be, feel free to comment down below what that is and why. And let's be amicable and understanding, because a lot of us may actually have different answers. We might not all be Persona related, as you may know. I know that's an obvious answer for maybe high school bound games. Never play a game that takes place in the school. Well, there's definitely a lot of Japanese related ones I've noticed. But this one does. I think this is more college though, if I remember correctly. So, this is one game. I suppose, if you wanted to give it credit. Alright, with that said, thank you again for toughing it out. I'm glad we were able to get ourselves reconnected. Despite OBS's baloney, its acid tree. But now let's see on Twitch if we can find someone to raid this. Oh, I might have to do it on my phone. Again, I don't know what it is with my browser, but it has been very inactive. It has been so bad as of late. Like, you can barely even move anything. I don't know what the situation is. Maybe I just need to get a better browser, or maybe clean out the cookies, perhaps. Clear my browser history, maybe. I don't know if that's gonna do the trick, though. Well, we can definitely give it a shot, but yeah. Let's try over on my phone here to see if we have any potential people we would like to raid this time around. Do we have anyone in particular that haven't raided in a while? Ooh, it's Iron Mouse's birthday, and she has a new model. Oh, congratulations to her for another grand year. Alright, let's see. Who do we have? Strobly, Retromary, Amori is streaming, Miso Chico. Oh, Hypervolts is streaming. I haven't rated Hypno folks for a while. She recently got a mod done for her to be in that Hatsune Miku Project Diva game, so that's always cool. So yeah, let's basically go about and get a raid message. Hypna Vox Anime. Oh wait. No. Let's see. Anime figure. Why can't I think of a good raid message? Let's go with one that's tied to... Let's go with something that's tied to a recent short she had about anime figures and how some of them that are pre-owned had something not so favorable on them that hasn't been cleaned off. Clean your anime figures raid. Or cleanse. Cleanse. That might be a better one. Let's see. What would be a good symbol for that? There. We'll go with this. I still need to try and figure out what I can add for 7TV for emotes. But here is for followers of my channel if you would like to copy and paste this into the raid. Cleanse your anime figures raid. And let's see, we'll go with... There we go. I'm gonna go ahead. I gotta make sure that I use my phone for this instant here. Because even when I open it into another channel on my browser, for some reason, the chat function, or just the box in general, does not show up all the way. I feel like I need to showcase what it's like. But yeah, I'm thinking of just... Maybe if I clear my cookies and my browser history, it will just not have that problem, or maybe I just need to figure out a new browser to utilize for it. I'm sure there will be something in particular. But yeah, for right now, that's probably what we're gonna do here. And let's see. Gotta see if I can get the... here we go. We're gonna go ahead. Nope, not copy that. How do we copy? I need to figure out how to copy a message on my phone. Nope, dang it. How do you copy a message on your phone? Okay, maybe that's it. I think I might have gotten it. Okay, let's start the raid. All right. Thank you so much. I think that was my time for me to get some rest, I suppose. But thank you again so much for joining me for another stream. And thank you again for the huge amount of views from my Cuphead stream the other day. I probably won't have that many views in a long time, but it was great to see it regardless. This is the most amount of views I've ever gotten for streams in general. But yeah, if you would like to tune in tomorrow, I'll be hopefully finishing up Sonic X Shadow Generations, at least on the Sonic part. And hope you all take care and have an exquisite rest of your day, whether it be the morning, afternoon, evening, or night, depending on where you may be. Oh my god, that was loud on my phone there. Ha!